Balls number 5.
In 3, 2, 1, go!
Alright, Robot fans, this might be like my last qualification of the job with a human player from 1986 sinking that shot into the lower hub, and their robot popping up with 2 cargo of its own in the upper hub. As our drivers take control, we'll see what they have. Titanium with 2 cargo in their possession, looking to line up and in go those shots. System meltdown, their alliance partner making their own in the lower hub. Meanwhile, on the blue alliance, the Squirt Dogs using that classic swerve, translating around the field, lining up for a shot, and they sunk it. System meltdown going for that classic lower hub and doing a phenomenal job here. Looks like 1982, Cougar Robotics playing some defense here on Squirt Dogs, but it's not enough to slow them down. 24-10 maneuvering around the field themselves, trying to slowly intake that cargo they've got in their possession. 1982 again trying to miss a line 525 shot. Meanwhile, 1986 landing one of their shots there in the lower hub for the Red Alliance. And another in that upper hub with just about 1 minute left to go. Red has played 34-33. As more cargo go up and in that upper hub. Looks like we've already got one robot here in the Red Alliance hangar zone looking for a climb. It's System Meltdown. 2357 latched onto that mid-rung. Will they get any higher? 1982 still with that relentless defense here, pinning Squirt Dogs, slowing them down from scoring the 2 cargo in their possession. That may just help Red maintain the lead. System Meltdown now already making it to that higher rung. Will they make it to the traversal with 20 seconds remaining? From the Blue Alliance hangar zone, 24-10 up. And System Meltdown lands the traversal with 10 seconds left. Will we see more red or blue robots up in the air? 1982 up, 1986 up, and meanwhile on the blue, the Squirt Dogs looking for a traversal as time expires. We'll have your final score in just a moment. but
38
folks,
red,
it looks like a
37
close
blue.